Alright, here we are at DIA once again, and I have this tiny little microphone so we can hear the processor of car 31. There it is. Here it is. Alright, let's let people get off first because they have to get to their gate. Alright. This processor is very noisy. This is car 31.
The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all B gates.
Listen to this processor. If anybody knows what those machine rooms are, let me know in the comments below. All the blue fluorescent lights are burnt out. Here we are at the B gates concourse. I love the little windmills on the wall.
Please watch your step.
Alright. Remember, this is car 31. And I think we got the train by ourselves. Very cool. Oh, nope, someone got on.
The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all C gates.
Remember, this video is for a special guest. Alright.
Please watch your step.
Thanks for watching.